Rough Country's tri-fold hard tonneau cover gives you a practical way to protect the bed of your Gladiator with a durable, segmented hard cover that keeps away weather and thieves. This UV protected hard cover features 3 rigid aluminum panels with a premium black texture finish for uncompromised protection and killer good looks. The convenient triple fold design allows you easy access to your bed or the ability to haul large items without entirely removing the cover. Just fold back 1 or 2 sections as needed to access the bed, or fold it all the way up and attach the durable storage straps and continue along your way with the cover in the open position. With a lightweight design and no tools required, installation is a snap. Your cover will arrive completely assembled and ready to install. Simply line up and fasten the quick clamp locks and you're ready to roll in seconds. Rough Country's tri-fold hard tonneau cover for the Jeep Gladiator JT. Get yours today.